Our house is a bungalow built in 1957, and we moved in about a year ago. High energy bills have been an issue for us in this house. We want to use less and pay less.
My name is Steve Remuel. I'm the president of the Home Inspectors Group. The Home Efficiency Rebate program helps homeowners by providing them up to $5,000 for the energy efficiency upgrades of their home. The reason why a homeowner should have an energy assessment is it gives them a game plan on what to proceed with for upgrades in their home. The energy assessment takes approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, and what's included in the assessment is a full evaluation of the energy components of your home.
We started thinking about renovating basically when we got the house. We knew that we were getting an older house from the 50s.
Some of the tools that we provide for homeowners is giving them a roadmap that helps them prioritize which upgrades will give them the best bang for their buck. The most common recommendations in the report are insulation measures, HVAC, and then also air sealing. What people are most surprised by is how drafty their home is. The main reasons that people make home efficiency upgrades is to save money, save energy, and make their house more comfortable.
Living greener is super important to us.
Yeah, we're just trying to do our part.
The most rewarding part about my job is hands down seeing homeowners educated and understanding their home much better.